This is a Chinese miracle. After more than 100 years development, Chinese Railway has quickly entered into the high-speed rail era. Daring with JIANGSU RAILTECO Equipment Company Limited has undergone its nascence and development. Founded in 2003 and listed officially in 2015, RAILTECO is a professional company dedicated in diversified railway products design, manufacturing, maintenance, and supply and services, with a wide range of railway freight wagon, bogie, wheelset, axle, wheel, axle box, coach interiors, etc. RAILTECO's products has been exported to more than 30 countries in the world. For example, USA, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Morocco, Australia, France, Iran, Indonesia, etc. Technical innovation is determined as permanent theme for RAILTECO's development. With constant training and enrichment of technical team, RAILTECO has capability of design for freight wagon, coach, and freight bogie, and FEA for all kinds of products. Quality is a guarantee for RAILTECO's development. With a quality control team over 10 people, RAILTECO has been approved and awarded by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001. RAILTECO's headquarters is located in Zhangjiagang City, Jiangsu Province, 18 kilometers away from Zhangjiagang Port and 180 kilometers away from Shanghai Port, with approach of 5 international airports around the density of highways. RAILTECO is able to provide convenient and low-cost transport services to clients. Thanks to its advantageous location, RAILTECO possesses a premises over 60,000 square meters for workshop and office building. Currently is equipped with 3 production lines of axles, wheels, and wheel sets, over 60 sets of numerical control equipment, and complete industrial facilities, leading to abundant production capacity of RAILTECO. RAILTECO is committed to building an elite team, a professional technical background, good communication ability, with experienced technical staff in railway industry. A team over 10 people of sales and after sales is devoted to providing the best services to clients. All staff with the professionalism and full passion railway industry developing in high speed will create a bright future of RAILTECO. RAILTECO provides to universal purchasers and technicians overall services of selection of wheels by cooperation with MassDeal to establish complete web sales platform of Wheels World. As the world's biggest professional manufacturer of wheels and tires, MassDeal has set up special assembly line for wheels production, heat treatment, and mechanical machining for forged wheels and tires. Paint line for wheels, which cover all the procedures from iron ore to finished wheels. With current 3 production line for wheels and tires, MassDeal remains most professional manufacturer with biggest production capacity in the world. MassDeal has professional wheel design, wheel test lab, and quality control team, and has successfully passed approval of AAR, EN, TSI, GHOST, ensuring the good quality of the products. Steel has a product range which covers EMU, coach, locomotive, freight wagons of heavy load, and industrial mechanical wheels, etc. RAILTECO, with cooperation with Steel, has sold products to over 30 countries in the world and will concentrate, as always, on good quality and service.